Jambo. Greetings. Hotep. My name is Imani A.A. Nasor, and I'm an African spiritual life coach and member of the Pan-African Congress movement. And I'm here to tell you a little bit about a series of workshops that I am facilitating. The title of the workshops is the African Spiritual Messages within Ayi Kwei Armah's 2000 Seasons. These workshops are being conducted on behalf of the Pan-African Congress movement. And in order for you to get a little bit of an idea of what the workshops are going to be like, what I'm going to do is share my screen and run through the introduction of the workshops. So there you can see the title of the workshops. There's the cover of the book, and this is the introduction. The classic 2000 Seasons by Ayi Kwei Armah is, in my opinion, a deeply prophetic, insightful, and African spiritualistic book and guide. This fictional novel speaks to its audiences on the condition of African people on the continent before invasion, during, the aftermath, and their potential liberation in the future. However, he intends that the teaching be applied to Africans on the continent and in the diaspora. Here you can see a picture of the elder himself. He actually wrote this classic in 1973 when he's only 34. The underlying message of the story is that African people worldwide will only liberate themselves from their oppressors when they return to their original spiritual values of their ancestors, as these spiritual values resurrect an African Ma'at culture, or as he calls it, the way. It is this Ma'at culture, or the way, that will define how they express themselves in all areas of human activity. He shows that Abrahamic versions of African spirituality, or pantomime versions of it, can't liberate us, as they do not possess the foundation in the best of African culture and moral worldview, the way. They simply increase the confusion, division, dysfunction, and manipulation of us by others. So these 7 workshops will allow us to explore this teaching together. We will also discuss a key idea expressed within 2000 Seasons, that real and solid African liberation only starts when we have a personal connection to our spirituality. A spiritually moral transformation must occur within Africans if they desire to be free and be their authentic selves. Only when we begin to spiritually transform will we be able to command our divine power and begin to heal the wounds in our psyches. Once we begin to heal, we will act correctly and manifest our liberation. So, if you want to attend the workshops, you don't have to have a copy of the book or have even read the book, as all the work passages and quotes to be explored are included in the workshop presentations. But if you are able to participate with your own copy, that's going to be great. The 7 free workshops will be held on Tuesday evenings between 7 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. beginning on the 2nd of November, 2021. They are all online, and the details on how to register and the dates of the workshops can be found in the information accompanying this ad. For more information on the workshops, please use my contact details within the African Spiritual Life Coaching website at africanspirituallifecoaching.com. Or email the Pan-African Congress Movement at panafricancongressmovement@gmail.com or call 07 510 249 828. I do hope you can join us in exploring the spiritual messages within one of the greatest books ever written. I end on Mapenzi ya wote ni mapenzi yetu. Hakuna mwanzo na hakuna mwisho, which in Kiswahili means the will of the all is our will. There is no beginning and there is no end.